Research Rocks, it's me Sangram, and today's video one more product unboxing, and that product name is swimming glasses. I'm doing swimming without glasses and my eyes are doing lot of pain after finish my swimming classes. I'm doing some research why my eye is doing some pains, because of sometimes the water is not suitable for your body and especially in your eye. Best option you can buy especially swimming glasses, and those swimming glasses are available on any supermarket. But I recently joined my swimming classes in Westport, Copenhagen. So I joined there, so they are also selling glasses. Compared to the online, they are providing me very cheap price of swimming glasses, and this swimming glasses price around 109 Danish krona. Just today I am buying this swimming glasses and I share with you. If you are joining swimming classes, as my point of view, you can buy swimming glasses and then you can do swimming no matter which location you are doing, like India, Canada, USA or any other European country. So this is a mandatory as my point of view. Today I am wearing the swimming glasses and I feel very 3D under the water. We will see inside the box which types of product they are providing me. So look at this, the box is very compact like this. Simply, box quality is also good. Look at this here, 109 krona, the price of the product. I just simply open here. So this is our main product. Here they are providing me magic booklet. So using this magic booklet, you can very easily understand how you wear this swimming glasses. So here 3 options are available, 1, 2 and 3. You can see and read and understand which types of how exactly wear the glasses. They are providing here some instruction. Now here is our product. It's very simple. Now glasses is ready to wearing. As you can do this one also. And very easily wear, and after wearing these glasses you can very easily swim, so your eyes are not broken. So that point of view, I am purchasing this one and share my all subscriber. If you are doing some swimming classes, so it's my suggestion, you can buy this swimming glasses and then do swimming. It's very helpful for your eye. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.